So just another update here. This is the oil tank. As you can see, I've already stripped the paint off here, and it's in very good condition. The only thing I need to sort out is have this the oil return. This oil return spout is cracked around the edges here. You'd find the seat was probably resting on the top here over the years, and is cracked right around the edges here. That needs to be brazed up. So I want to show you a very easy technique to get rid of paint like this. I'm still busy with the other side. You actually can still see some of the army green. I've already done a bit here, but I want to show you a technique. You take a bit of paint stripper, the gel type paint stripper. Put a bit there. That's not too much. And use a standard steel wool that you can buy at the convenience store. Very cheap stuff. You take a piece of that, and it works as a wonderful scour. A little bit of this stuff here, you rest it, you move it around, you let it rest all over the paintwork like this. Spread it around, and if the paint is very stubborn, leave it on for a while. But you will find that most paints almost immediately react to this stuff. And do wear protective gloves, because this stuff is known to wear your fingerprints off. It's that strong. Get these out of the way. So we can have a look here. I'm going to rub quite hard. I've left it on for a very short amount of time. I don't expect great results just yet, but let's see here. So here we go. Circular motions, straight motions, whatever suits you. I found this original green on the spike to be very stubborn. It is very hardy compared to the paint that was over the top of it. And you'll see it comes off. And what's nice is it leaves a very nice surface to sand and prep for painting with this. Let me just show you the close up there, and you can see that's a very good result already. And that's it for now.